This is Mama Oriental style instant noodles shrimp flavor. This is sauce and seasoning chili powder. Alright, the noodle is ready. It smells like Thailand or Southeast Asia, the tom yum flavor. It's like a pretty strong ginger and another spicy. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to taste the soup. Exactly. If you haven't eaten the tom yum or you like the flavor, I think this is the only noodle that tastes like that. Exactly. Let me try the noodle. Perfect. I never thought that instant noodle have the tom yum flavor. I'm gonna eat my noodle. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.